tornado. It's all water down there. Last time she flooded the whole building up, but I don't gotta worry, I'm on the second floor. She's giving her. She's giving her like a fat prostitute on a Friday night. Woo! Had to wash all the filth from this earth. Oh, there's some hail. They said hail was coming. Let it wash the filth from this earth. All the dirty, filthy, disgusting Muslims. Get them out of Western countries and Christian countries. We don't need them here. They're demons in disguise. They're liars. They're deceitful. They are non-friends of non-Muslims. We need to take our country back. And I ain't kidding.